to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these dolls to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today we are celebrating an anniversary, Mattel's 75th anniversary, to be exact. No way! Mattel has been around for 75 years? Well, according to the timeline on the back of the box, that's a yes. And the logo has changed over the years. And to celebrate, Barbie has some fancy new dolls. They are titled Barbie Collector Mattel 75th Anniversary Doll in Red Gown. This is the 12-inch blonde, and this is the 12-inch brunette. Both dolls have a suggested retail price of $60 each, and on Barbie's website, there is a gift set available for $108. While supplies last, prices may change, you know, all that stuff. These dolls were released on September 9th, 2020. They are Black Label dolls, designed by Robert Best. On the back of the box, it says, Barbie doll is stunning as she glamorously celebrates Mattel's 75th anniversary. Dressed in a flowing red chiffon gown with an intricate serrated trim throughout, Barbie embodies the iconic Mattel logo, which debuted in 1955. The logo continued to evolve as the company became an industry leader and used the power of play to spark imaginations around the world. Honoring a rich history and a bright future, Barbie wows as she pays homage to Mattel's 75 years of wonder and creativity. Let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, they come with a paper certificate of authenticity, certifying that our Mattel 75th Anniversary Barbie doll was created through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. Each doll comes with a doll stand. Ooh, look at how that dress moves. They have a hairnet holding their curls in place. I do wish I had a little more definition in her curls. I do have a little bit of box hair with my blonde doll. Let's check out the brunette. Oh yeah, we have some luscious curls here. The natural hair game is strong. We have lots of curl definition. Love it. In the front, the hair has a side part, then it's pulled back, and then we have the curls. These dolls are looking to the side, which adds a lot of expression to their faces. Speaking of faces, this doll's face sculpt is the Millie closed mouth collector size, and this one is listed as New Sculpt Revised Dea. She has red lipstick and her teeth are showing a little, and we're just gonna call her Dea after her sculpt, which means we're calling her Millie. Dea and Millie are both wearing large gold hoops that are not designed to come out easily. They have a Mattel 75 tag on their wrist. Millie has red painted nails, and so does Dea. Underneath these red gowns, both dolls have protective plastic. If you look closely, you can see that it's on the chest and down the arms, and they are taped inside. So you can choose to remove it or not. It's up to you. Since this dress is a rich red color, there might be some concern over staining, so you've been warned. This dress has a wide collar with a serrated edge at the bottom, then a thin chiffon right here, you can see through it. Then the bodice also has a serrated edge with a wide sewn-on belt with a wide satin bow on the side with that serrated edge. The edges on the bodice feel like they've been singed. The edges on my bow are a lot softer, and I do have some light fraying. There are two long pieces of ribbon hanging down from the bow with the serrated edge, and these feel like they've been singed as well, so I don't expect for them to fray. I am loving the weight of this skirt. It is 2 layers. One feels like a satin, the other one is chiffon. Both edges are turned under and hemmed. On the front, we have 3 lines of serrated triangles. They feel singed. Oh, I just love how this lays. The dress has large puff chiffon sleeves with tulle underneath to help them stay puffy with a satin cuff. The dress is finished all the way around, and it closes with 3 snaps in the back. And they finish their look with a red strappy high heel shoe. These are adult collector dolls. They have the Model Muse body, and I know you already know what I'm gonna say. I would love to see these dolls on a made-to-move body. In my opinion, any doll over $30 should automatically come with a made-to-move body. That might not be a popular opinion amongst doll collectors, but that is just how I feel. Come on, let me see that made-to-move Model Muse body. I'm not sure if that's even a thing yet, but you know. I am all about the articulation, or just sell me the dress. Moving on. This doll can move at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. And their arms are straight. So there you have it, the Mattel 75th Anniversary Barbie Doll in blonde and brunette. I love the fabrics used for the dress. The chiffon lays beautifully. Those serrated edges definitely capture the Mattel logo, and I would just take care when handling the bow. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Mattel 75th Anniversary Barbie dolls. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Waiting out there for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Waiting out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything